Wall Street 30 day trade setup for today. So yesterday we started off the daily chart as normal. Yesterday we had this inside bar form, but we're now breaking above it in the Asian session, and I don't trust it at all. But there is the level that we're at. In fact, I just take it up to this swing low here. Okay, that'll cover a lot. It'll cover there. You can see it was used as resistance, used as support there. Used as resistance, used as support, used as support, but you can see pretty much a fairly important level. Now we start drilling down to the different time frames. You should see the chaos that we are in. So the whole of yesterday was pretty much sideways. We had this range. We have got a bit of a breakout of the range at the moment, but I don't really trust it. As I said, I want a deeper pullback onto structure before I start looking at a buy. And the second thing we have here, we have non-farm payrolls today. And what's expected is the forecast is for 8 million. Sorry, just trying to find my data here. So the forecast is for 8 million jobs lost for the month of May. And the previous number was 20 million, or 20.5 million that were lost. So yeah, it's be interesting to see what happens, whether that forecast is actually accurate or not. I think if it's accurate, you're probably going to see a little bit more of a rally, probably get through this level, bounce back and continue. If it's completely wrong, you're going to see a pretty big pullback. So anyway, non-farm payrolls today, my attitude is still exactly the same. I don't trade this kind of nonsense here. Okay, there was no pullback onto structure here at all. It basically just pulled back into the middle of nowhere onto a moving average, and that just doesn't do it for me. I wanted to see a pullback deeper here. So I'm still sitting on the sidelines, and because it's non-farm payrolls as well, definitely staying out of this at the moment. So if you are going to trade this, you could probably argue you have a potential range formed at the moment. I really don't trust what's going on here. So anyway, we do have a bit of a range, could be a bit of a range. In other words, nice trend up, sideways, breakout. But as I always say, I want it up, I want it down, I want it to test this breakout, hold that, and then start making higher highs. That would give me the confidence that we need to get long again. Okay, so for now, I'm still sit on hands. I'm not really interested in taking this trade. If we pull back onto the structure here, I definitely would have taken a trade. Okay, I would have taken a long. But at the moment, not interested in shorting this, not interested in taking longs at this level either. So we will quietly sit on our side, on the sides, and watch. There are opportunities in the Forex, and I am calling them in the Telegram channel. So you'll see a link in the description below if you don't know about that. And if you're still listening, you obviously like what you're hearing, please give us a like down there. We are trying to grow this channel as quickly as possible. Anyway, guys, sideways for me, sitting on the sideline, not interested in this. There may be one or two Forex opportunities on offer, but I think it's going to be, for me anyway, a pretty slow Friday, and probably very little or no trading at all. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.